Some evenings, the light does the talking. Golden hour, flat water, and a Sunseeker Manhattan 56 cutting a clean line home. Built in Poole, England, the newest Manhattan from Sunseeker, redesigned for 2026. Wide glass, a low clean profile, and a cockpit built for the kind of evening you don't want to end. Twin diesels, plenty of push. You're up on plane before the second drink is poured, and there's more in reserve if the water stays clean and the horizon stays clear. This hull holds a line even when it's building outside. Swim platform steps right down to the water. Beach club opens at the stern. Tender stows out of the way until you need it. You're in the water in minutes, not after an ordeal. The cockpit seating rearranges itself for whatever the day calls for. Full dining setup, wide open lounging, or one long full beam sun pad for the whole group. New upholstery, hand finished, built to take the sun and the salt. Panoramic windows keep the saloon connected to the water even when you step inside. Below deck, 3 cabins wait for you, room enough for the whole group to actually sleep, not just crash. The full beam master has a curved king bed and enough headroom to actually stand up. This isn't a boat for looking at. It's a boat you live on because the evening asked you to, not because the calendar did. For full specifications and availability on the Sunseeker Manhattan 56, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.